Hello friends, how are you? Are you also coming to Dubai Security Guard Shop? Well, today in this video I am going to tell you that in such a company, in such a kachra company, kawadi company, don't come. Otherwise, you regret. बहुत पछताओगे. That I am going to tell you in this video. But before I start my topic, if you are new in my channel, please subscribe my channel. Yes. Now not to delay, let's start the video. I have seen so many companies in Dubai, UAE. Small to medium to large company or very small company also. But today in this video I am going to tell you that kachra very small or small companies where if you come you will only regret. Yes, सिर्फ आप पछताओगे. So when you are coming, don't hurry. Take a good decision. Means select good company. Yes, having the good facilities and salary. Main thing is these two things. And another locations, every company has good locations, bad locations also. Yes, every company has easy location, hard location, day shift, night shift. This is almost same, but salary are not same. So when you are coming, at least look at the demand letter advertisement that salary should be 2000, at least 2000. But nowadays in Dubai, maximum companies are providing 1,800 Sira security guards salary. Yes, you listen correct. In every company, more than 80% company are giving now 1,800 salary of 30 days of 12 hours, not 8 hours, 9 hours. Understood? So if you are coming, please at least 2,000 must be salary 2,000 or more than it, very good. Because if you are coming from the नेपालबाट आउँदै हुनुहुन्छ भने एटलिस्ट 3.5 देखि 4 लाख तिर्दै हुनुहुन्छ. यदि कम स्यालेरी हुने कम्पनीमा आउँदै हुनुहुन्छ भने 1 year, it takes 1 year to recover your investment. Yes, 1 साल लगानी उठाउन टाइम लाग्छ. के यस्तो कम्पनीमा आउने जहाँ 1 साल लागोस् लगानी उठाउन? होइन, never. So I suggest you at least 2,000 or 1,900. Yes or no? Okay. Now how kachra? Means some companies I have seen, they don't give you up to 2 months salary. Yes, when your 2 years contracts finish, then only they give you that previous month's salary, 2 months salary. Now you think, if you come such a company, you have to bring money up to 2 months expenses. Yes, घर से आप 2 महीने का एक्स्ट्रा खर्चा लेके आना पड़ेगा, ल्याउनु पर्छ. नभए कति नेपाली भाइहरूलाई नै हेरिरहेको छु, बिचारा पकेटमा अब पैसा छैन, कम्पनी सुपरभाइजरसँग पैसा माग्छ खानेको लागि, अनि पैसा उताबाट दिइरहेको छैन, बिचारा भोकै भोकै ड्युटी गरिरहेको देखिएको छु. Yes, it's true, not a false. And supply company, सानो company, our supply company के भन्नु? Such type of companies where no one security, immediately if you join, if you come in such a company, they send you another small company. Yes, not other locations. Every company has no locations. They send you other companies' location. It is true. That is not called supply, but supply means एउटा सिक्युरिटी गार्ड कम्पनीमा जोइन हुनुभयो तपाईँलाई अर्कै सिक्युरिटी गार्ड कम्पनीमा पठाइदिन्छ. द्याट इज कल्ड सफ्लाई. एक्ज्याक्टली द्याट इज द मिनिङ अफ द्याट सफ्लाई. अन्डरस्टुड. एन्ड कति कम्पनीहरूको क्याम्प नै खुदको आफ्नो क्याम्प नै हुँदो रहेनछ. यस, they send you in a labor camp where rooms are very dirty. Yes, very dirty. In one small rooms, छोटा रूम में आपको 12 से 16 आदमी रहने को देता है. Yes, suppose inside the rooms there is 3 beds. Now you think 3 bed means 6 person, yes or no? But no, 6 2s are 12 persons. नाइट शिफ्ट में एक आदमी चला गया, उसका बेड खाली हुआ, दूसरा आदमी उसको बेड में जाके सोएगा. डे शिफ्ट वाला चला गया, नाइट शिफ्ट आके उसका बेड में सोएगा. मीन्स इन वन बेड इज इक्वल टू 2 एंड अप एंड डाउन 4, नॉट 2, विच इज नॉट गुड. एक आदमी का रोग है तो सामान सुरक्षित नहीं होगा. इससे रोग another things, okay, disease can transfer another things. मेन सामान रखने का जगह नहीं होगा. छोटा रूम है ना, बहुत सामान रखने का बिल्कुल जगह नहीं होगा. सामान सुरक्षित नहीं होगा. आपका सामान साथी यूज करेगा, चला लेगा, छोड़ देगा. तो you want to come in such a company? Yes, now you tell me the answer. I don't suggest you such a company to come in. Yes, so remember this. ऐसा बात और कोई नहीं भूलेगा. Because other security guards not realize. I used to ask every security guards. I used to go every camps to get a good information for you. So my request again and again, please subscribe my channel and also click the bell icons in all. जिस कारण से if you subscribe, you can get the notification of my daily videos, other videos, past videos, recent videos, current videos. Yes or no? Yes. Okay, this video is only this much. Again, okay. Thank you very much for watching my video. Have a nice day.